I think the group that we've got is it's our own little community. It's bordering on family. We were a group of friends that met through a local dive shop, and we started just diving a lot together. And as we were diving, we were just gathering more and more rubbish, and that just came that way that it's suddenly our task to do that, because we didn't find many other people doing that. And so there's been times where I'm like going, okay, I just want a fun dive. I just want to, so you put your catch bag in your pocket, you know, the clips for one, and you put it in your pocket and you're like, I'm not getting it out. You go for a dive and it's like, I can't do it. I got to go back, pick it up. And so it's almost quite addictive to start picking up rubbish. Really sad to say, but yeah. Knowing that we are looking after the environment, doing something that not many other people can. So the animal life, we regularly see trout circling us. Like it's not a close circle, obviously, but they're interested in seeing us and us seeing them. We also see like the coda, the freshwater coda. There's also even the kakahi, so that's the freshwater mussels. And when you see a lot of that, or the native wildlife, you know that it's generally a fairly healthy environment. So it's refreshing to see. I'm wanting to install that whole environmental awareness thing for my kids. And so we just love spending time with the water, with the lake. Whether it's diving for us, kayaking for the kids, or just camping by it, or anything, that's our happy spot.